Today I am going to be checking out this adjustable trailer hitch. Look how nicely packaged this all is. Look at that. Everything is nice, made of high quality aluminum. This is a 4-inch drop or rise hitch. Right here is the hitch. It comes with a 2-inch ball and a 2 5/16. You can see the high quality construction right there. You can easily just switch in between either one. And we come with this is for a 2-inch receiver. So it has 4-inch drop arrays. I actually kind of need to keep mine up on my truck. This is my 2002 Quadra-steer Denali. Really nice, really nice quality. No burred edges, very nicely machined. You can either put it as a drop hitch or to raise it up. And we have double locking pins to keep everything in place. So let's go ahead and put it on right here. Also has 2 adjustments, so it can come in or out. All right, so this is all very easy to put in. You can either make it so it's a drop hitch like this, or put it so it's slightly up like this. There's 2 different adjustments right there. It comes with 2 locking pins, a longer and a shorter one. The shorter one goes into your receiver. And I like that both lock. You can see the mechanism right there. Nice high quality. And the good thing about it being aluminum is if you move it around, it's a lot lighter. Put that through. The locking mechanism on. Pull the key out. Nice rubber cap to go over it. And you just take this. It has 2 5/16 on the top, which has a 12,500 pound tow rating, and the 2-inch here, which is 8,000 pound tow rating with a 2-inch ball. You can see there's Allen wrenches right here. You could swap them out or cinch them up. Stays nice and tight, and it's really nice how lightweight this all is, adding to less tongue weight as well. So very easy to swap around. You can put it in this channel, either from the bottom or from the top. It's a nice feature. Put your other pin through. You can put it all up and down wherever you want it, depending on if you haul different types of trailers around. Put the pin right through. You have another locking mechanism. Just put that right on. It's locked in place. Really good to go. Nice solid tow hitch, and I can't wait to go tow with this thing. So here it all is on the truck. We've got this 4-wheel steering truck. It's built to tow, and I only want to get the best products for it. That's why we picked out this tow hitch, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.